Welcome guys, this is Infinix Hot 50i. Remove plastic protection cover from behind the phone. With blade make space between back cover and body. Remove back cover of the phone with X-ray. Remove all the screw. Remove protection tape and free to power button flex. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Remove protection tape. Disconnect power button flex connector. Disconnect battery connector. Remove battery from the body with X-ray. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Connect power button flex connector to the main board. Install inner body. Apply protection tape on flex. Put back all the screw. Apply gum around back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.